Okay, let's move on. Speaking part two, your topic is describe a time you visited a new place. So,
Well, in my whole life, I visited many historical and famous places. And last year, I just transferred to Lahore, so I also visited many places in Lahore. And the place which I like most is the Wagah border. And because here the ceremony of the lowering of the flag held, and on the daily basis, the military it is a military practice which is done every day. And I went in December, and here there was a very good weather at that time. There was little raining, and unfortunately, we didn't know about that in the CNG cars are not allowed to go near to the place. So we park a car very away from that place, and we went by walk, and we enjoyed the rain so much. And then it is, if you talk about the location, it is situated in northern part of the border of the Punjab, and we can say from India, from Amritsar 30 minutes away. And from India, its name is Atari, and it is on the India-Pakistan border. And there is only the way of road crossing is only this. The Wagah border is a way of road crossing, and
okay, thank you. Just try to focus a little more on the organization of your entire answer and use signpost language, like first of all, secondly, moreover, but overall, you spoke well. Now, we have speaking part three. What measures should be taken to deal with damage on public facilities?
I think this is the individual process which everyone should take, and what things the people are using, they should take care of that. All government things, and this is the most good practice, which, in my point of view, is useful.
Okay, this is good. Thank you very much.